Hello, good afternoon. I'm gonna cook some chicken curry today. Now I'm gonna start with putting oil, 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna saute the garlic. My chicken curry. Ginger. And then onion. Saute for 1 minute or two. So 2 minutes, 1 minute, and then I'm gonna put the chicken now. I use the chicken leg. This is what 2 kilos. So I'm sauteing for a few minutes and I leave it cover. I leave it for 10. This is all 2 kilos. 2 kilos of chicken legs. I'm gonna cover it another 5 minutes so that they will be golden brown. I'm back. So now they're brown now, oh, but they're still a little bit blood. So I'm gonna add the coconut. This is 400 ml. Hey, look at that. Oh. I'm putting 800 ml altogether. That's the coconut. This is the coconut. Oh. Coconut milk. 2 coconut milk. 2 tins of coconut milk. 400 ml each. They need to be drowned so that it's cooked evenly. So I let it boil for a bit. I let it boil a bit before I put the curry powder. I'm using curry powder because I got no herbs on that curry. Sometimes most of the time I use curry powder or curry paste. I'm gonna put the lid on. I let it boil a bit. Yay, it's boiling now. So I'm gonna put the the curry powder. I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'll put the full tablespoon. Look at that. Finish. Then, brown pepper. Half teaspoon, half tablespoon. Spetchin. Hot spetchin. Glutamate. And bit of salt. Salt. Now look at that. Oh. This is the real curry powder. Curry. So now this is the chicken curry. I put 4 tablespoons of curry powder to 800 ml of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of pepper, black pepper, ground pepper, glutamate, half tablespoon, salt, half tablespoon. Now I'm gonna let it boil. I'm thinking if I put some potatoes. Okay, let me peel some potatoes. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes and celery and mushrooms. We love mushroom. I love mushroom. It's our vegetable. Look at this, eh? So delicious. So overflowing. I got a small dish for cooking, oh. Small pan. So right. Let me taste it. Yeah. Bit more, I think. You're not even. It's overflowing on the small pan. I have to transfer it into a big pan cooker. Look at this, oh, it's making a mess. So it's better. So it's only 2 kilos, but it turns out so many, oh, because of the added potatoes, mushrooms, celery. Only 1 stalk of celery that I put, and 8 pieces of mushroom. I chop it in half, or 4 pieces each, and 1 celery. So now that one. So now I let it simmer or boil it for another 10 minutes so that the chicken will cook tenderly. Thank you. I'm gonna add green leaves so that we got vegetables. We got green vegetables. Everybody needs greens. And then I'm gonna start frying some aubergine. Look at that, oh. Wow, so delicious na, oh. Because we're 6 of us eating, you see. We need greens. Now I'm gonna fry some aubergine so that we got another green screen. So now the chicken curry is finished. It's up to you what do you want to put in. But me, I put vegetables, potatoes, celery, and mushrooms, white mushrooms, and then just cook them well. That's it. Thank you. And now I'm frying this aubergine for our chicken curry and rice. Now the aubergine is cooked. Eh. I'm cooking too. That's it. So this is the finished product of my cooking. Aubergine, fried aubergine, and this chicken curry. Thank you.